am back with another one of our Retro Week specials. I am out in our used inventory and we are going to look at this Work and Play by Forest River. Let me see what the model number is. It is a 25CB. On the outside you have a nice big awning, LED lights, outside speakers. Up front you have a nice rack for your generator. And then coming inside, and this is a toy hauler. Coming inside, you've got your kitchen area, lots of cabinet space. Got your sink, 2-burner cooktop, microwave. You've got your refrigerator right over here. You've got your toy box area, which has a sofa right here that will flip over and make a bed, or you can fold it up against the wall for when you pull your toys in. You've got a booth dinette, which also folds down into a bed. More cabinet space, AC, some additional storage right over here. Your bed area, more storage, and your bathroom. Nice big shower, got your sink. All right guys, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. And remember, this week is Retro Week, all pre-owned campers. And if you have any requests, just drop them in the comments below. Y'all have a happy Monday.